bond, from the types of bond that we have said earlier, it is the bond that occur between a metal and a non-metal, whereby electron is what is transferred and it is also what accepted. So this kind of bond is what is like a give and take bond. It's like when you have two entities, like a man and a woman in our marriages. The man is the one giving out, while the woman is the one accepting. So the metal and what? And the non-metal. So the metal is like the man, who is what? The donor. And the non-metal is what? The acceptor. The what? The acceptor. Transfer of electron from the donor and acceptance of electron from the what? From the what? Acceptor. So the metal is transferring electron or more, and the non-metal is accepting the electron or more, one electron or more. So still on ionic bonds, as I have said earlier, metal is the one giving out electron and non-metal is the one accepting electron. We cannot narrate this example without understanding our electronic configuration of each element participating in this type of bond. So sodium, the atomic number for sodium is what? Is 11. It means the number of electrons present in sodium atom is what? Is 11. Why that of what? Chlorine is 17. Atomic number is 17. Also, the number of electrons will also be what? 17. Now, because we have said it is the kind of bond that occurs between a metal and a non-metal. The metal is going to be the donor, while the non-metal, chlorine, is going to be what? The acceptor. And as I said earlier, it is the kind of bond that what? The giver will become the positively charged atom, while the acceptor will be the negatively charged atom. So it means a given mindset or a given atom will make you lose an electron. You are going to what? Lose an electron and become positively charged. While one accepting electron will make the element what? Negatively charged. Let's go. So this is a metal, and it's going to what? Transfer the electrons to the what? To the non-metal. And this is what we are going to have at the end of the day. So the sodium atom was initially uncharged. Was initially what? Uncharged. But immediately there is transfer of electron. Once there is transfer of electron, it will become positively charged. It will become positively charged. We are going to have N plus. While the atom of chlorine, which was initially neutral, after accepting an electron, so the charge will also change. The charge will also change after the transfer of electron. It has more charge than the way it is, more electron than the way it was before. So it will become negatively charged. So what we are going to have at the end of the day is that initially we have N plus Cl, and at the product now we are going to have Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus, because the sodium has lost an electron while the chlorine has what? Accepted an electron, and the compound form is called sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. This is an example of what? Of an ionic bond. A transfer of electron from the metal to the non-metal to form sodium chloride, where there is transfer of electron from the metal to the non-metal. which will make the atom initially neutral will become positively charged, that is the metal, while the non-metal will become negatively charged. So thank you, we are going to stop here.